guys, this is Saisan Malayala. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another short and an informative video for all you guys. So in this video I am going to give you an important notice and major notice and breaking news of JEE Mains 2021. So just now a live session has completed on Twitter of Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji. He is the Minister of Education. So where he stated regarding JEE Mains 2021. So he said that 4 attempts will be given for every student. So in that he can attempt any number of like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So according to his convenience. Regarding February, no, in yesterday's information brochure they have given the dates like 22 to 25. But after 1 hour of issuing the information brochure, so they have taken out the information brochure from the NTA website. So reason behind it is unknown, but thing is dates are changed now. So dates will be from February 23rd to February 26th. So thing is like so 4 days in that B planning, BTech will be taken care. Regarding 75% criteria. So what happened regarding 75% criteria also. So regarding that nothing is mentioned about 75% criteria, but I am hoping that 75% criteria will be there this year. So due to pandemic only last year means 2020 they have removed out the 75% criteria. So mostly 75% criteria will be there. So regarding that we will have to wait till the official notification. So number of attempts will be 4. So like for example in Telangana and AP your board exams will be at the end of February and the start of March, right? So if you feel so it will be hard to give you the February exam, you may give the March and April and May attempt. So like that according to your board exams you try to apply for those sessions and give those slots. Like if you have board exams in March, so try to give the exam in February and April and May. So like that according to your convenience, so give your exam. Then regarding the result also, so after every time the result will be out within 4 to 5 days of the last date of exam. So for example in February the exam is completed on 26th, right? Means 22 to 25 is earlier date. Now present 23 to 26. So last date is on 26. So 4 to 5 days means around March 2nd or March 3rd you will be getting your results. That is what mentioned in today's live session by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji. So hoping you got all the information regarding JEE Mains 2021. For more such updates and breaking news or anything updates regarding JEE Mains or NEET or any other educational examinations, entrance exams, all these things will be posted on my channel. So please stay tuned to my channel. For that you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon and turn it into all notifications so that you will receive notification by the second I post the video on my channel. So please share this video to near and dear for updating them with the dates of the February session JEE Mains 2021. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.